Hey guys, first fan of the night. Today we have this air cool. Today we have this air cool ceiling fan. Elijah, would you take it away, please?
Thank you, Dan Newman. Yeah, what Dan Newman just said, this is a 52-inch. This is either an air cool or a king of fans, like something like that. Oh, I know the last time I did a video of it, I didn't have no light kit, but I do have this Kane light kit fitter up here. So I got this fan from either WeFire88 or WillFire88, also known as the kid who destroys everything. So I told him, I said, hey, I got this Kane light kit. Do you have like any, just basically any Kane Blade fans or whatever? And he said, sure. So he gave me this fan. Anyway, we'll start with the light. And I will start the fan on low. Now, all of a sudden, this fan wants to wobble now. I have no idea why. It wasn't wobbling like this before, but now all of a sudden it just wants to wobble. I think it's either I don't have the blade screws, the iron screws tightened up, or I just keep bumping the fan while it was up here, and I don't know, but it's wobbling now, so I don't really care. I'm sure WeFire would make a destruction video out of this fan. Probably. Hey guys, this is WeFire88 here, and today we have this king of fans here. Stupid Harvard Cheshire kid didn't want it because he was too busy humping his Cheshires as usual, so we're going to be doing a destruction video of it. I don't think he would do a destruction video. I think he would have donated it to the Habitat Restore. Oh yeah, and this fan was perfectly silent too. I don't know if the camera picked it up, but on medium it had a slight hum to it. Let's do spin down. So like I said, this fan could be an air cool or a King of Fans product. I think it's an air cool fan. I have no idea. But WeFire88, WillFire, however the hell you pronounce it. If you're watching this video, please correct me in the comments what kind of fan this is. Oh yeah, we fire. If you're in here, how's my industrial treating you? Excuse me. This fan has good bearings. I don't know what year this fan is. Excuse me. I don't know what year this fan is. If I would have to guess, probably this fan was somewhere like around the 70s, 80s, probably, or early 90s. I'm probably gonna go with 80s. Alright, this is a video of this 52-inch air-cooled ceiling fan. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked this light kit. I think it goes great and matches the cane with the cane blades. Yeah, no, these are two separate colors, but it still matches. I'm not too judgmental on my fans like some other fan collectors out there. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.